Excuse me, is this the train to Boston?
No, this is the train to New York.
Oh no, which platform is for Boston?
Platform 4. This is platform 3.
Ah, I almost took the wrong train.
Yes, it happens a lot. The trains arrive close together.
How much time do I have?
About 10 minutes.
Perfect. Thank you for your help.
No problem. Safe travels.
Hello, my room key doesn't work.
Really? Which room?
Room 412. I tried twice, but the door won't open.
Let me check the card. Sometimes it demagnetizes.
Yes, maybe. I had it in my wallet near my phone.
That can cause the problem. I will give you a new key.
Thank you. Can you also send someone with fresh towels?
Of course. Housekeeping will bring them in 10 minutes.
Perfect. Thank you for your quick help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay. Excuse me, I think you are in my seat.
Oh, are you sure? My ticket says seat 22.
Yes, but 22 is on the other side. This is 22B.
Wait, really? I thought this was 22.
Yes, look here. The letters are written above the seats.
Oh, you're right. Mine is 22A, by the window. Ah, I see. Sorry for the confusion.
No problem. It's easy to make a mistake.
I'll move to the aisle seat.
Thanks. The window is my favorite.
Enjoy the view. The mountains look beautiful today.
Yes, I can already see them. Good morning.
Good morning. What can I get for you?
1 cappuccino, please.
Okay, 1 latte.
Sorry, not latte. Cappuccino.
Oh, I misunderstood. Cappuccino, right?
Yes, with skim milk, please.
Of course. Do you want sugar?
No, thank you. Just milk foam on top.
Got it. 1 cappuccino with skim milk.
Perfect. How much is it?
$3.50, please.
Here's $4.
Thank you. Here is your change.
Thanks. I'll wait over there.
Your coffee will be ready in 2 minutes.
Great. I need it to wake up.
I understand. Many people say that.
Excuse me, this bread is marked $2. But the receipt says $3.
Let me check. Oh yes, today it is on discount.
So the price should be $2?
Correct. I will return $1 to you.
Thank you. I didn't want to overpay.
Of course. Thank you for noticing.
You're welcome. The bread looks fresh.
Yes, it was baked this morning.
Great. I will enjoy it. Hello, we have a reservation for 2, under Miller.
One moment. I see Miller, but it says 4 people.
4? No, it should be 2.
Ah, maybe a mistake when entering the reservation.
Do you still have a table for 2?
Yes, right by the window.
Perfect, thank you.
Would you like water to start?
Yes, please, with lemon.